Hi lovely people, you're all welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be looking at subtraction and addition with significant figures. Now in our last lesson we talked about how to find significant figures in a number, right? You can check our channel. It was a loaded activity, it was a loaded explanation, and I know you'll get one or two from there. Just check our channel on significant figures, you will see it there. But for today, we'll be doing the addition and the subtraction. Now, one of the things you should bear in mind these days that while doing the addition and subtraction, any of the numbers that has the least decimal places, you automatically know that your final answer is going to be with the least decimal place. Let's look at some of the questions for you to be able to understand what I'm just talking about. Now, number one says, add 63.2 plus 4.631. This 63.2, how many decimal places are there? After the decimal, we have 1. How many decimal places? 1, 2, 3. Now, our final answer will be just a decimal place. That was what I was trying to explain. Now, let's work it out. Solution. You can place, for the fact is addition, you can place it however you want, but remember to bear your place value. Place it according to the place values, right? This is 63.2 plus 4, see it is to be here, 0.631. Then you add, right? This is, you can replace it with zeros. This is 1. This one is 3. You bring it down. Then 2 plus 6 is 8. You put your decimal point. 3 plus 4 is 7. And this is your 6 as your answer. But is this going to be our final answer? No. Because our final answer is meant to be a decimal point, just one decimal place. Reason is because the list of these numbers has just one decimal place. So we have this is where it's going to stop. Here is after the decimal. But since this 3 that is the neighbor does not have any effect on 8, 8 remains like that. So automatically my final answer is 67.8. Easy peasy, right? Let's look at number 2. Now number 2 is adding 3 different numbers. We have 12, 28.46 plus 1.2. The same rule. Solution, let's work it out. But before then, where is our final answer going to stop? Is it going to stop with a decimal place? No, because we have a whole number. So automatically we are going to round off to a whole number. So now let's write, this is 12 plus 28.46. Remember, here can be replaced with zeros, and we'll have plus 1.2. That is how we should place it before adding. Now you bring down your 6 here. 4 plus 2 is also 6. Then we'll have 10, 11, 1 carry 1, and then plus 1 here to give us 41.66. 41.66. And remember, we say our final answer, according to the question, is going to be rounded off to be a whole number. So, and this is the whole number 41. So it's stopping here. But since this 6 is up to 5, it's going to have an effect here. Adding plus 1 to this one. So we are going to have 42 as our final answer. Let's see the subtraction. Now let's look at number 3. Number 3 is a subtraction. We have 6.214. We are subtracting this from this number. Now you find that this is smaller. Even when it has 3 decimal places, we are looking at the whole number here. This is smaller, unlike our addition that we could place anyhow to add it. But this one, we are going to use this as our bigger number because since it's the bigger, and remember the question also said subtract it from the bigger one. So we are going to have it like this. Solution. 45.3 will come up. Take away 6, see where you place your 6, 6.214. Since it is a subtraction, we can replace here with zeros so that it can easily subtract, right? 0 take away 4, it can't go, and the neighbor is also 0. So we are going to borrow from 3. 3 will remain as 2. This is 10. When you take away 1, 9. And finally, this is 10 here. 10 take away 4 will give us 6, right? 9 take away 1 is 8. 2 take away 2 is 0. We'll stop it there. Then the whole number says 5 take away 6. It can't go. We are borrowing 1 from here. We'll call this 3. And this is 15. 15 take away 6 will give us 9, right? Then our 3 will bring it down. So our answer is 39.086. But looking at this, which one has the least? We have 3. Just one decimal place here. So it's going to stop after the decimal point. So we have one decimal place is here. And the neighbor here is more than 5. So we are doing plus 1 to the nearest neighbor 0. So here we are going to have our final answer to be 39.1. Hope you are enjoying the class. Let's do the last one before I will give you your activities. Now let's look at this number 4. I'm not even controlling the numbers. We have 18.8 take away 9.63 plus 21. We are combining both addition and subtraction. Now you should know that this is addition. This is plus. This is also bearing plus 21. It's only this one we are taking away. You can place it this way. Either 18.8 plus 21 take away 9.63. You can also make it to go this way, since this 18 can also comfortably take away 9.63. So let's start. Let's solve. We have 18.8 take away 9.63 plus 21. Let's put a 0 here. Now, 0 take away 3, can it go? No. So we are borrowing from 8, and 8 will be 7. Add 1 here. 10 take away 3 is 7. 7 take away 6 is 1. And this is our points. This is 0, 0, so it just bring down. Nothing is, it doesn't have any effect there. 8 take away 9, can it go? No, because 9 is bigger. So you either say 18 take away 9, or you can still say your 8 plus 1 here is 9, and then from here. Do you understand? So we have 18 take away 9 is going to give us 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. You put your 0 and carry 1 over here. Remember, this one is already gone. Do you understand? So the 1 is added to this one now, because we have 1 minus 0, which is here, plus this 2 will give us 3. So our answer is 30.17. But because we have a whole number, so our answer will remain as a whole number. So our final answer is going to be 30. It's going to be what? 30, because the neighbor is 1 and this is 7. Even if you have 30 here, it's not going to want to do something because it's still below 5. Right? Hope you enjoyed today's class. Let me give you your activities. And finally, we have our number 5 and 6 as activities we will do. Add 42, 28.315 and 63.15 together, all together. 6, take away this number from 72.1. You're taking away 21.638 from 72.1. I hope, my lovely audience out there, hope you enjoyed today's classes. Please, if you did, you can recommend people to our channel. You can also subscribe if you have not subscribed. You can like and also comment in our comment section. Do have a lovely day. Bye-bye.